What in the shit is this? That is a bass.
That's a big bass with a bunch of disease on it, dude.
That's a huge bass, man. Oh, he's swimming right to the boat. Let's get filled up here.
First one of the
Texas
day.
rigged mouth.
First one of the day on the T-rig. We got to blow up on the top water.
Second fish.
Not a bad one.
It's coming off.
Lost it. We're out here again on the private lake. We got clear skies. Wind's blowing south.
Yep, good look set.
Not a bad one. Coming in. Flip him up.
Nice.
Another pretty decent fish.
Oh, come on, fish.
I mean, I'm 2 casts, 2 bass. A little bit more than one.
We're doing one time. We might catch him one.
There's a fish hit. He's on it. He's swimming right at us.
Here we go.
Here. That's a better one.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, oh.
Okay.
Man. Did he just pick that up? I don't know if he's on here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he is.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's our 4th fish. Not much over 2 pounds.
On a fish over 2. Number 4.
Okay. Feels like not a bad fish.
I did not see this go out.
It's a decent fish.
Do we have our net on this boat?
Really? Where the hell's the net? He's coming in anyway. Where's our net?
Where's the net at?
What happened to our net though?
That's a good fish.
Hey, you know.
Oh, who?
Oh. Okay. Somebody stopped me.
What do I've got here? Another fish. That would be number 6 of the day.
Oh, I've got a fish. Feels good. It's coming right at me.
That's a good one. We don't have a net.
That's a better looking fish.
Double up action.
That's fun. Sha-la-la-la-la. Oh, Christ. Hold on just a second.
He's in. That's a great one.
I want a fish here.
He does not feel big.
Sha-la-la-la-la.
Any fish?
Another big one fish.
Nice.
In the raft. What's going on out here?
It's a double up on deep diving cranks. Heavy.
Hey, nice. Hey,
Cool.
nice fishing.
Cool. He's off of it. Oh, he's back on it. That's a better fish.
is this? That is a bass.
That's a big bass with a bunch of disease on it, dude.
Christ.
That's a huge bass, man.
That's a huge bass, man. Oh, he's swimming right to the boat. He's under the boat.
There he is.